Welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. You are the G Squad, and these are the nails you should be watching me do today. But you're not, because I didn't click record. But I did want you to see how cute they came out. I really like them. So what we're doing here is painting all 5 of these. This really gorgeous blushy sort of shell pink color. I really like it. I've not used it a ton yet, and I just thought it would be a great background for this dry drag sort of situation that we're going to do. Dry brushing is what I should say. 2 of these nails are going to be a really pretty French, and so I'm going to create a French line here with this deep charcoal gray, and like I said, we're going to do that on 2 of the nails, and that's just going to give us a nice shadow line. I really like a darker line around the French. I really respond to it. It's kind of like when you outline things as a kid in your coloring book. I'm an outliner. So if you're an outliner, you probably like this look as well. So we're gonna go ahead and make that on 2 nails. And as you can see, I like to put them together to sort of line up where that French line is going to be, so that they're not wonky, right? And these 2 are going to be right next to each other, so you want them to be as close as possible, so that way your eye isn't like, what am I looking at right now? This is crazy. No, you don't want that. You want you want to get oohs and ahs. Now, these are the 3 colors that we're going to use in a dry brush situation, and all I'm going to do is just sling a little bit of this on here. And not too wet, because like I said, we're doing a dry brush thing. And I feel like I could have put more purple on this one, but look, it comes out pretty. I'm not upset. And that brush there is very dry. And I splayed out the brushes a little bit, or the bristles rather, so that it would have more spaces and we would get those brush marks, because that's absolutely what you're looking for with this kind of a technique, is the appearance of the brush marks. That's what gives you that real pretty effect, and doing it with a dry brush is really what helps you as well to get those drag marks. And you want places like in this one where it's the full pink color, but then it drags through the other colors and makes new colors, and you just get so much depth and beauty with a technique like this. And I've seen this on nails quite a few times, but also I was just watching some people do art, right? And one of the people I was watching was doing a real pretty dry brush situation. I'm like, I'm doing that on a nail. Now he did different colors. His was greens and blues and whatnot. He was doing like an outdoor landscapey sort of situation. And I was not wanting to do that. I wanted to do something more fantasy and pretty and girly and, you know, pink and purple. So that's what we did. We've got blue in here too, but it's like a deep gray blue. Now these colors are actually cat eye colors. I did not cat eye them. I just wanted that frosty look that they have when you don't cat eye them. I just thought that looked real pretty in a dry brush situation, because really you usually see that with more of a matte color. So, or a flat color, not a matte color. Flat is what I meant to say. But flat is kind of matte, right? It's not perfectly matte, but it's not like a satin or anything. So we're just finishing up the nails here, and then we're going to do one more treatment. And normally you see this more on a color block kind of nail, but I had thought to do something with animals, but I want to save those stickers for more of an animal print situation. So I decided to do these little, is it Van Gogh? The little faces, anyway, abstract faces. And those are the water stickers or decals. So we just soak those in the water and then slide them off and put them right on the nail. Now I'm putting one on the index finger as well, but I cannot find that footage. I must have been close to my face when I did it, so it was off camera. I looked through here like 3 times trying to find it, so I'm sorry. You will see the face at the end when we top coat everything. And the faces are so subtle on this color selection, and I really dig that, because when you're looking at somebody's nails and you're like, is that a picture? Oh my goodness, I love that. I love that feeling of discovering that subtle something in somebody's nails, or that feeling of having somebody discover it in yours. So if you're like that with me, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. We'll call ourselves the Subtle Detail Sisters or some nonsense. You let me know what you want to be called. I'm not going to tell you what you need to be called. Now I'm going to put one on the pinky as well, but it's not a face, it's just a squiggle. And I really responded to it. I like the squiggle arts. I think the squiggle arts are pretty. And now we are coming in with a little bit of top coat. Now, you know, I've told you this before. If I was doing this on an actual person, I would put down some real gel, some builder gel, and put the gems in that, and then top coat. But you know, Carmen, she doesn't work. She chills all day. She does not need extra attention to her gems. She could wear these for 2 weeks and they wouldn't pop off. So we're not going to waste the builder gel. We're just going to put it right into the top coat because it just needs to last for pictures, right? Needs to be Instagram gems, just like the ones that were on my fingers not too long ago. Let's go ahead and do some top coat. Guys, I really respond to these. This is one of those sets, said it before, we'll say it again, that I wish I'd done on myself. I think they're so pretty. I think anyone wearing these would just get tons of attention. They are so eye-catching. The color is perfect. They're great for girly girls, but you know what? You could do this in any color situation, and they would be even good for a his and hers situation. So you know, maybe that's something we'll think about doing in the near, well, not this month. My calendar's full almost. So, I got a couple spots open. If you guys got ideas that you want to see this month, let me know. We're going to celebrate some really cool holidays this month too. Or next month. It's not February yet. Guys, this is a finished set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you are still here, give me a rock star in the comments, because you know that I love it so much. And we might be a little late today. I hope we're not, but we might. Love you. Mwah. Bye.